Hey everyone, for this video, I'm going to show you how to upload shorts on YouTube using your PC. Now, once you're in the home page of your YouTube account, you might click on this camera button, that's the create button, and then click on the upload video. Now this page leads to your Creator Studio. Now you may select files of the video you wish to upload. Now take note that the best size for posting your shorts will be on a portrait orientation. Now you may add a title for your shorts or a description if you want to. You can edit the details such as if you want to add it on a playlist, and also you want to edit the audience for your video if it's made for kids or if it is not. After the details has been edited, you might click on next. Next, you'll go to video elements and click next. Go to checks if you have copyright issues. On visibility, you will choose on your specific audience for your video if it is a private, unlisted, or public audience. And after that, you may click publish. And your video has successfully published. And you can see the channel content dashboards that your short has been appeared. And you can also edit this again if you have another changes. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.